Welcome back to the channel, and today we've got a real treat for you. This is another recently completed kitchen that we've revisited, and it is probably one of my favourite doors. This is the Hardwick Slim Shaker door in Oxford Blue and Highland Stone on the Portland Oak cabinet. Probably one of the best combinations today. It also features a one-off, walk-in, fantastic pantry. You do not want to miss the pantry. So check this short cinematic video out, and then after that we'll get into the brief and what we did. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. So it's time to talk a little bit about the brief, what the brief was here, and how much of the work we did. So when the customer invited us to come and quote and design the kitchen, they wanted to make use of the alcove and the understairs cupboard, which used to be where the fridge was because there was an island in this kitchen. And they wanted to retain their rangemaster, and we were looking to try and incorporate the back end of the sitting room and those lovely doors onto the garden into the kitchen so that they would give access to the kitchen instead. So we took down the wall between the kitchen and the back of the sitting room. The customer's own company came in and put some bifolding doors in place of the French ones, and then the flooring was laid in the herringbone style throughout, and we created that wonderful pantry that you saw from a stud wall and what we call a Narnia style larder frame. We've done quite a few different versions of this on or off camera. Every single time it will be different for what you need in the space, but we worked to the customer's needs in terms of the microwave, air fryers and such. Needed somewhere for some bottles, plenty of storage for spices, dry foods, and also opening up and using that understairs wedge and illuminating it with the automatic lights that come on as you walk in. For me, when we went back with the cameras, it was still as much of a wow factor, and I knew what was coming. So I'd be interested to hear your comments below on that larder, what your thoughts are. And also then to talk about some of the other features. The kitchen also benefits from the Le Mans carousel, which I personally think is probably the strongest, most durable for a corner storage at this moment in time. So if you're going to go that route and you need what we call a blank corner, then that is probably one of our favorites because it's going to last the 30 to 40 year lifespan instead of 10. But we've got a Le Mans within the design. We have two sets of the wide pound drawers, so there's plenty of drawers. Another larder over by the fridge, because we changed sides with the fridge so as it was easier for the connection to the kitchen, because now there's a peninsula as opposed to for previous design there was an island. So to give a bit more real estate to that surface, we've joined one side to the wall, and that has meant that it's very well connected to the kitchen and the prep space, and allowed a couple of stools nicely to look out onto the garden. The property also benefited from a nice sized utility room, which is great for kicking off the boots. So it come through from the garage, or you come through from the kitchen, or you could come through from the back garden. So it's really well accessed. And I also understand that we've kept the dog happy, because where there was a cage before, we've got a lovely opening. Customer has sourced a nice pillow, and I think it looks very welcoming. So everybody's happy, all smiles. Let us know in the comments below what you thought to the kitchen, and if you are in the market for a kitchen yourself, then why not pop down and see us at 63 St John's, where you can talk to our very talented designers about your project. If you are not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, then why not subscribe today? It's free, and also hit that bell so you get notified each time we upload another one of our projects. For now though, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. It really helps the channel grow, and we'll see you in the next one real soon.